Welcome back, finance enthusiasts. Are you ready to take control of your financial future? Today's video is all about personal finance, specifically designed for beginners who are eager to learn the essential tips that will set them on the path to financial success. So, if you're ready to unlock the secrets of smart money management, then you're in the right place. But before we dive in, let me ask you a question. Have you ever wondered how some people seem to effortlessly achieve financial stability and independence while others struggle to make ends meet? Well, the answer lies in mastering the basics of personal finance. In this 20-minute video, we'll equip you with the essential knowledge and skills you need to navigate the financial landscape like a pro. So, let's get started. The first step towards financial success is setting clear and achievable goals. We'll discuss the importance of identifying short-term and long-term goals, and how they can guide your financial decisions and actions. A budget is your roadmap to financial success. We'll walk you through the process of creating a budget that aligns with your goals, tracks your income and expenses, and helps you make informed spending decisions. Saving money is crucial for a solid financial foundation. We'll explore the concept of paying yourself first, strategies for saving consistently, and the importance of building an emergency fund for unexpected expenses. Debt can be a significant obstacle to financial freedom. We'll discuss different types of debt, strategies for managing and paying off debt efficiently, and how to avoid common debt traps. Your credit score plays a crucial role in your financial life. We'll explain what credit scores are, how they are calculated, and provide tips on how to maintain a good credit score and monitor your credit report. Investing is an essential component of building wealth. We'll introduce you to the fundamentals of investing, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and other investment options, along with strategies for minimizing risk and maximizing returns. It's never too early to start planning for retirement. We'll discuss retirement savings vehicles such as 401(k), and IRAs, the power of compounding, and the benefits of starting early to secure a comfortable retirement. Protecting yourself and your assets is vital for financial stability. We'll explore different types of insurance, such as health insurance, auto insurance, and homeowners insurance, and discuss the importance of risk management. Planning for the future goes beyond your lifetime. We'll delve into the basics of estate planning, including wills, trusts, and other legal considerations, to ensure that your assets are distributed according to your wishes. The journey to financial mastery is an ongoing process. We'll wrap up by emphasizing the importance of continuous learning, expanding your financial knowledge, and seeking opportunities for personal and financial growth. Congratulations, future financial gurus! You've completed our crash course in personal finance essentials for beginners. By implementing these 10 tips into your life, you'll be well on your way to financial success. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is your financial empire. So, take it one step at a time, stay consistent, and always strive for financial growth. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable finance content. Now, go out there and make your financial dreams a reality.